Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Lulu. In this video, we'll install this wheel spacers for Honda. So easy to run this BONOSS wheel spacers.
Quality Honda spacer won't hurt your suspension. If you get bolt-on wheel spacers, please check the wheel studs and lug nuts. The biggest reason you need Honda wheel spacer with high-quality handwheel is to ensure driver's safety. BONOSS provides ISO standard grade 12.9 wheel studs and ISO grade 10 lug nuts to ensure a strong wheel spacer hub connection. Additionally, BONOSS Forge active cooling Honda wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. A brake fade occurs when the brakes heat up under long hard applications. In this case, BONOSS Forge active cooling Honda wheel spacers send air into the rotors to keep temperature down. Then come with active cooling grooves, which allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacers when rotating. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. This is helpful to reduce brake thermal decay and improve road safety.
So that's all for today's video. If you want to get this BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.